Good morning, everyone. So, our today's topic is Chapter 7 of Civics, Class 10 Outcomes of Democracy. Okay, students. Now, firstly, what is democracy? What do we mean by democracy? Democracy is the government of the people, for the people, and by the people. So, democracy is a government which is chosen by people for them. This kind of government is chosen by the people. In this, all people vote and get a government, get a group of leaders so that they can offer them overall development. So now in this chapter we will discuss about the outcomes of democracy, that how democracy is helping us, what are the means of democracy, and what are the things which differentiate democracy with other forms of government like monarchy or others. Now firstly, why democracy is better? Why democracy is better? Firstly, it promotes equality. How it promotes equality? Like, it gives everyone many rights, fundamental rights, civil rights, and for mainly it, everyone is equal against the law. Like, whether you are a male or a female, you belong to any caste, you belong to any sex, you belong to any color, you all are equal before the law. You have to follow all the rules made by the government, and you are equal before the law. No one can discriminate you on the basis of sex, caste, or color. Second, it enhances dignity of individual. It democracy gives you a equal right, gives you a equal place in the society, so that you don't feel any backward or don't feel anything, so you have an equal life among them. Next, it improves the quality of decision making. Now how this? By giving a right, by giving you the right to vote, it improves the quality of decision making. And also, when there is something, some bill is passing in the Rajya Sabha or in the Lok Sabha, like in the parliament, you have the right to question the government, that how you are passing this law, that how it will benefit us, or what this law will do. So you have a proper right to question the government. You have a proper right to question the government, and also you have the right to vote. Okay. Next, it provides a method to resolve conflicts. Now how this was done? Like, if there is any situation, there is any conflict in the economy or in the state, so there is there are there so there are discussions on that thing, that how this thing can be solved, how this thing can be cleared. So there are discussions done on this so that the problem can be solved. Also, next, it allows a room to correct mistakes. Now how it is done? Like, if there is for example, we take the example of amendment in our constitution. Like, it there was article 370 which state that Jammu and Kashmir will have their different constitution, different set of rules, and a different flag, but this was not good for the country. So by questioning, by amending the constitution to correct that mistake, a bill was passed in the parliament to abolish this law, so that article 370 should be abolished, and Jammu and Kashmir now will be a part of India. Okay. So democracy is very much different from the monarchy and other types of government. Only in democracy the people have equal rights, the people have right to question the government, the people have their duties, so that they have their duties for the constitution, that they have to respect their national anthem, national song, national flag, and some other that. But sometimes people are not satisfied with democracy practice. Why? Because in democracy the government not have to think of one person only, they have to think of the whole nation. Like in India, it is democracy, so we have a population of 130 crore. So the government will think of 130 crore collectively, not for one or 10 or a group of persons. So sometimes a group of people or some people are offended by the new laws or new things made by the government. Next, many countries claim to be democracy. Now how a country can be democracy? First, they should have a formal constitution, like they should have a set of rules to govern the country. They hold elections after a certain time, like in India the elections of MP, MLA, MC, all elections are conducted after a time, like 5 years, 5 years, 5 years. Okay. They have shared political party, like we have BJP, INC, BSP, AAP. We have these all parties, okay, and they guarantee the rights of the citizen. This is the most important point, that they guarantee the rights to the